Today we're going to be reading a story called Grey Dolphin, Grey Dolphin, where are you going? You can read along with us if you want. Ready? Grey Dolphin, Grey Dolphin, where are you going? I am going to see my friend the Brown Octopus. What sound does the octopus make? The brown octopus makes the sound squawk, squawk, squawk. Brown octopus, brown octopus, where are you going? I am going to see my friend the Gold Stingray. What sound does the stingray make? The Gold Stingray makes the sound barb, barb, barb. Gold Stingray, Gold Stingray, where are you going? I am going to see my friend the Red Lobster. What sound does the lobster make? The Red Lobster makes the sound snap, snap, snap. Red Lobster, Red Lobster, where are you going? I am going to see my friend the Purple Jellyfish. What sound does the jellyfish make? The purple jellyfish makes the sound gurgle, gurgle, gurgle. Purple jellyfish, purple jellyfish, where are you going? I am going to see my friend the Blue Seahorse. What sound does the seahorse make? The Blue Seahorse makes the sound growl, growl, growl. Blue Seahorse, Blue Seahorse, what are you doing? I am playing with all my friends. Can you remember all the friends I am playing with? I am playing with the Grey Dolphin, the Brown Octopus, the Gold Stingray, the Red Lobster, and the Purple Jellyfish. We are all good friends. The end.